next bowl is na. We play na like this. Na. Na. In here. Just na. Na. So simple. Na. We go here. It's te. We play here. Na. 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 Especially we play now with this ring finger. Na. 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 It's so simple. I hope the video is being long because I'm trying to cover everything on single video, because this channel is especially based on the followers of Hindi language. So I'm trying to cover my some 2% of my subscribers and viewers, because you are also important. But the video will be on one, but I will provide all the essential that I taught in Hindi in English. So please don't be bored. Let's learn new bowl. Taran. Taran. Very simple. As we play te here, we will play now te on here in chati. Taran. 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 3, 2 finger, 1 finger. Taran. 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 Hope you get it. Now next ball is our tera. As we play te. Now it is also some kind of te, but the location of the playing is different. It's same. Taran, te and tera, but the position where we strike makes the difference in the sound. So we learn tera. Tera. What we do? We do with this, our palm, and we put it in half like this. Tere. Like a tete. Tere. Tete. Tere. Tere. We hit this with all and cover this whole mouth like this. Like this. The position goes like this. Tere, 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 tere. Like this, it is tere. Similarly, now we have our next bowl, dhera. So how do you play dhera? It's so simple. Now we will put it here, ghe. That ghe we learned before will be coming with the first letter of te. Te plus ghe is de. 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 Re. We will not strike in a ra. We will only strike on de. Re. 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 First what we learn? Te. Re. Te. Re. Now putting the te with ghe. In left hand, we make it ghere, dhere, dhere, dhere. Some people also call this dhir, dhir, dher, dher. It's all the same form that people use as per their requirement and their pronunciations, their language. This makes the difference. So the ball is dhere, dhere or dhire, 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 dhire. And in this drum, and dhira will be coming with ghe. Dhire, dhire. Hope you get it. It's the very basic lesson. Now we will learn to play dha. Dha. It's the combination. So we already learned na and ghe. So it's the combination of na and ghe. When we strike na and ghe at the same time, it pronounces dha. Dha. Na, ghe, together. Na, ghe, together. Da. Na, ghe, da. single na, ge. Both were single. Now we make it together, da. It's so simple. Now, if we learn da, now it will be so easy to learn din, as we already learned tin. In this was tin, so we put ge on tin, it will be din. Din. So simple. Tin combined with ge becomes din. Din, 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 din. I'm also comparing you how it is formed, so you can catch it easily. Learning will be easier when you compare, visualize. Tin together with ge. Tin, tin, din. Similarly, na, ge, da. Na and ge combining together becomes da. So simple. Now let's move to our next bowl. The bowl is tadan. The bowl is tadan. How is it? Combination of three letters, te, ta, and na. How do you play te? Te, ta, na. Te, ta, na. Tadan, tadan. So simple. Tadan. Te, ta, na. Te, ta, na. Tadan, tadan. Okay, now we learn some special letters. Stick. Like this, just closing. Now the position of na with close sound. What we do in na, we don't touch our middle finger in here. We produce like open sound, but here we stop the vibration of this, our shahi. This is called a tick.